Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to switch it from Google Fi to Mint Mobile. Now before we come to this activation page on Mint Mobile, by the way, this is the exact URL, mintmobile.com/activate. Before we come to this, right, we need to get some details, right? Your account number, your number transfer pin, things like that, depending on your carrier. So for Google Fi, this is what needs to be done. Right, so after you log in to your Google Fi account, go to Manage Plan and then select Leave Google Fi, or you can contact Google Fi at this number and they will assist you. And this is for the account number. And for PIN number, after logging into your Google Fi account, go to Manage Plan, then select Leave Google Fi. Get your details and then come to this URL I showed you, right? What you can do is enter the 11-digit ACT code located at the back of your SIM card. If you have an eSIM, you can go ahead and enter your code right here. Okay, just go ahead and do this process. Of course, for eSIM, you'll get it in your email, but otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.